Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a blog to my Wix site. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Now you have to click on this plus icon, which is top left corner. This one, the cursor right blinking. Click on this, and you'll find here blog. Here you can see blog. Click on blog, and here you'll find many blogs. So choose one blog. Just drag and drop here. Now here you can see that your blog looks like you don't have any post to show. I don't have any post, that's why it's not showing, but you have to post something to show. Now if you want to customize it, go to settings. Now you can see here customize design, posts, playfair display or playfair display. You can see here the border, color, opacity. You can change it by here. Border width you can change it by here, and post background you can change the post background with the mouse. Just slide it. Okay, then you'll find here display, writer name, cover page, reading name. You can display anything you want, like I am displaying view counter, then publish date. This one, layout, you'll find many things to edit, that's up to you. Design, support, main, you have to customize your design or choose category. Okay, then post something here, it will show here. So this is how you can add a blog to Wix site. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.